Part of spring cleaning is tackling your cupboards and drawers. Well, how about that medicine cupboard? Do you know about medication safety? I know that mine had been neglected when I found a jar of Vicks medicated rub from when I was a kid. Yes, that was a long time ago, and yes, it was about time that it was thrown out. I have no idea if that stuff ever goes bad, but I probably should have thrown it out years ago. I have carted it from my bedroom to my residence room to my first apartment, and then from one home to the next with my family. Medication errors are said to affect at least 1.5 million Canadians per year, according to the Canadian Institute for Health Information, and those mistakes can be disastrous. Medication safety isn't just about an expiry date. It's about safe storage, knowing what medications may interact with other medications, foods, and supplements. It's about telling your doctor about any side effects that you may have had from previous prescriptions and what supplements or over-the-counter medications you may be taking. So here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating Medication Safety Week. Check your prescriptions periodically for expiration dates. Don't share medicines with family or friends. Dispose of medications properly. Most pharmacies will take your old drugs for proper disposal. Avoid putting them in trash cans or in the toilet. Remember that the term natural does not necessarily mean safe. Treat all supplements and herbal remedies with the same respect as you would any prescribed medications. Make sure that your family stays safe and healthy. Want to find more strategies to coping with stress? Check out my website at worksmartlivesmart.com.